This is going to be a video product review of the INSETTO Smart Bathroom Scale with BMI and body fat detection. The scale is 11.8 inches wide. It has 18 key fitness compositions that it will give you information about with a smartphone app. Let me tell you what those are. It will tell you your muscle rate, your moisture, your visceral fat, your body age, your standard weight, weight control. I don't know what that is. It will give you your actual weight, your shape, your weight without fat, your BFR. I'm not sure what that is about. Your bone mass, the degree of obesity, the amount of protein that you have in your system, your protein rate, your body fat, your BMR, your BMI, your muscle weight, your weight without fat, and your shape. The scale has 4 high precision sensors. It auto-calibrates, and it has a perceivable accuracy of 50 grams. The scale also has a tracking setting for the weight and the body fat. The scale allows you to set up accounts for other people. I don't know how many. It looks like it has a visitor setting. The scale runs on the AllFit app, and it will sync with Google Fit, Apple Health, and Fitbit. The scale has 360-degree movable feet. It has 3.15-inch high bright LCD display that's very large, and it has very large electrode pads, as we can see on the scale, for detection. Some of the other features: the G-type sensor is German crafted and extremely accurate. It allows you to switch between 3 different measurement modes. I'm assuming that's kilograms possibly and pounds, and I'm not sure what the other one is. It also has a weighing reminder, I believe, on your cell phone to let you know when you should check your weight. It works with Bluetooth on iOS and Android, as I said, with the free AllFit app that syncs with Apple Health, Google Fit, Fitbit, and Samsung Health, so you can store all your data in one area. The scale is extremely large so that it can accept a male's US foot size of number 13. The scale has a feature so that you can weigh an infant. It has a weighing reminder. It has multiple accounts. As I said, it has auto recognition. I don't know if that's able to recognize which person is standing on the scale. One scale for multiple users. So what I think we need to do first is let you know it comes with the battery, it comes with the instructions, it comes with the scale. If you like the video, please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave the comment, you know, all the stuff I say on my videos. I will be leaving an affiliate link in the video description, so if you want to order this, click on that link. It will take you right to Amazon where you can make the purchase. Turn the scale upside down, remove the cover, insert your battery, and then put the cover back in. After that, you're going to have to go to the Play Store or your Apple Store. There are QR codes over here you can click to install the AllFit, ALFIT app, or you can just go to the store and do a search for that. There is the app in Google Store. I will install the app, and then I will be setting up a user account. If you don't want to set up a user account, you can still use the scale, but you will only be able to see your weight and no other information. So you definitely want to set up a user account. The first thing that comes up, we have an option for kilograms, pounds, or ST, I believe that's stones, and the height measurement is centimeters or inches. And then they bring you to the screen, which is logging in or setting up an account. And you can also do third-party login, it looks like with Twitter, Facebook, or I don't know what those other 3 are over here. The pairing was fairly easy to do. The instructions walk you through it. I've got my name in there, and it says weight, never checked, body mass, never checked. So I'm going to stand on the scale now and test this out. This is the back of the scale, or the bottom of the scale. This is called a U button. It's shaped like a U. This is a switch. You'll press this button to switch between kilograms, pounds, and stones. There's no notice saying what this thing is, but that is how you're going to switch between kilograms, pounds, and stones. The app, when you set it up, will show the correct information, but the scale will not show the correct information until you press the button to the right setting. Okay, so we've got kilograms, I'll press it again, it will do pounds, and then I'll press it again, we get stones. We have a record that will give you day, week, month, and year, and you can track everything. So it is a scale that works, and it's going to give you an enormous amount of info. It's a great price. You're not going to beat the price. The most important thing that you need to remember when you are using this scale is use this scale and only this scale all the time. What I would do, I just lost 30 pounds within 6 months by weighing myself every day to track exactly what I did. That's the only way that you are going to successfully lose weight, is to watch what you do every day and see what you're doing and how you're doing it and what affects your weight. So with a scale like this, use this every day, track your information, and you'll be great. If you have another scale that you're using besides this, you're going to run into a discrepancy in numbers because all scales measure all of this information differently. So as far as the price, you cannot beat the price. The price is absolutely incredible for what you're getting. The weight, very accurate, and the numbers, again, you have to use it for knowledge to help you gain or lose or find out where you're at. Are these numbers accurate? They appear to be accurate, but again, you use the scale and only the scale, and you will be fine tracking all your information to see where you are at. Good luck in your health and losing weight. Make sure to click on the link in the video description if you want to buy this.